Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, as usual, let's take a look at the gold market. Gold market is real riddle right now, so mostly because no major and crucial levels have been broken. So despite that, recently market stands in downward action and the action overall looks bearish, we did not see the passing of the really drastic points. So you can see that yes, market has dropped below 1330 area and completed minor target that we have discussed. This grabber has been formed, market taken out of these lows, but it still stands yet inside of the triangle. So no breakout has followed yet. So you can see it's absolutely normal and classical behavior inside of the triangle. Fourth swing down, now should be the fifth swing, and what this fifth swing will be, it's really the question. So whether market will, for example, show a minor bounce but then turns to the breakout down, or will continue move higher, currently it's very difficult to suggest. Also, market stands above these lows and above the monthly pivot support one. Standing there also keeps well at potential butterfly here and possible upward breakout, and also standing above the weekly monthly pivot support one shows that this could become just a retracement on a bull trend. Market really could take another leg up. Maybe today's speech will bring some clarity to this subject, but in general, guys, as we said in today's video on the forex market, we expect shy disappointment of the investors. So we expect a more dovish comments compared to the what investors expect to hear, because Yellen is mostly conservative chairman of the Fed Reserve. So we remember a lot of dovish surprises from the comments, but I don't remember any hawkish surprises that could be done. That's why many investors, especially ultimate expectation, is that Yellen should say something on the possible rate hiking in September. We think that this will not happen. The maximum that we could expect, by our opinion, is that Yellen will bring a bit more clarity to December rate hiking. So she will make it a bit more expectable by some hints on the positive shifts in the economy and something of that sort. And this probably will bring shy disappointment, because investors right now already expect rate hiking in December. If even Yellen will bring some more clear statement that this should happen in December, that will be a bit disappointing. So that's why, from the speech standpoint, we think that more probable here some bounce up. Whether it will be strong bounce or not, it's currently very difficult to say. But that's what we see right now. Also, this action doesn't contradict overall patterns that have been formed inside of the triangle. So because take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we have butterfly, that's potentially bullish reversal. Also, market has completed ABC top D pattern, AB equals CD. If you will plant here upward leg, you will see that in fact we have the guardless triple to buy pattern. That's why some upward action, whatever it will be, seems logical. So nothing really that tells right now that this will not happen. So on the hourly chart, guys, we have another pattern have been completed. As you can see, ABCD down. It's also completed. So depending on, it absolutely doesn't important what position you would like to take here, because any position that you will take will be the gambling. That's why we think that it's no necessity to take the risk right now they're trying to anticipate what will happen, because whatever action will happen, this will be probably strong. Because if market will take it out of these lows and drop below 13 even, stops will be triggered, and market, this could become the starting point with the downward retracement that we're expecting to get. If market will start to move up, it's probably, and this will be the fifth wave to the upside, it's very probable that market will take out of this top and grab the stops and could reach the 1390, 14 even area, and after that maybe the retracement will start on the monthly chart that we expect to see. As on the way up, as on the way down, this will be a lot of time to make the decision and take the position, and you will not need to take the risk. The single advantage that you have right now is possible that taking position, you could get it at absolutely focus point. So if market will start move up, you will take it at the bottom. If market will drop, you will take it almost at the top, because market, if you sell right now and market will drop here, you will be just in a chocolate. So that's mostly the psychological question. Would you like to take more risk for a perfect position, or if you're a conservative, you prefer to wait for clarity, take the position at a bit worse price, but with the more clarity, with the more definite direction? That's just the question, because currently, guys, here you could find as the bullish signs as the bearish signs on the market. This is very typical to standing in consolidation. When the market stands in consolidation, inside you can find a lot of patterns. For example, here you could find this upward butterfly, downward. You also could find the butterfly. It could become left wings, right wing on the breakout, right? So here we have estimated this got this triple to buy inside of the triangle that could lead to upward action, right? So this also could happen. From the bearish point of view, you could say yes, but market stands below the monthly pivot point here. It wasn't able to break 1360 and drop. So its early reversal up has failed. Market dropped to the bottom. So right, as bulls as bears here will be correct, because indeed we have all these moments. That's why this calls as a consolidation, indecision standing, because market forms contradiction patterns. And as I said, in such situation you could take only one of two possible solutions: wait for the clarity, or take the risk, try to get the market at the perfect price, but take the risk of the failure, take a risk of the loss. So that's what we see right now on the gold market. Our opinion is better to wait. So if you would like to take the position, so you probably could try it based on the patterns that we usually trade. So on this butterfly, if you would like to take the long position, you could buy here with placing stops somewhere below here, because all patterns have been formed, guys. ABCD here has been completed on the hourly chart. This bullish market should not continue move lower. Here ABCD has been completed, Goddess 222 has been completed, butterfly has been completed. So in fact, market stands in the point where normally bullish market should turn to the upside. And also, as you can see on the daily chart, market stands at the bottom of the triangle. Logical to suggest market should start to form the fifth wave inside of the triangle. If you would like to take the bearish position, well, yeah, this is just a breakout position, and you would like to get the breakout down. In this case, you probably should wait right till the starting point of the press conference. Maybe market will show some upward retracement here. This will just let you take position at the better price. But as I said, both positions, it's mostly the gambling. So although we have the technical background as for a long position as for a short position, so that's our current view. But this is not just for trading, but I feel that this will be shy disappointment of the Fed speech. As a result, probably gold will show some upward action here, although it's very difficult to predict how strong it will be. So maybe results of the Fed statement will put just the starting momentum to the upside. So market could show some minor action, maybe for the to the 1350 or 1345 area, so something of that sort. But this is just my personal opinion. I don't call you to use it as the must happen issue. So guys, it's a very interesting situation because today's speech could put the foundation for the significant direction on the gold market. It's very important, and let's keep watching what we will get.